Have you guys heard of a low volume pullback? Because right now it really seems like that's what we're experiencing in terms of Shiba Inu. And actually, what this means is that some of the weaker handed long positions are kind of closing out and taking profit or just calling it quits. But yet, that presents a huge opportunity for this extension that we're seeing in terms of Shib to continue moving to the upside. We're kind of in the perfect spot with Shib right now. And I really wanted to have a discussion about a few different things going on because this may actually be one of the most bullish setups for this week. If you guys are new or haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Don't forget to hit the like too if you guys are enjoying the content we're making. So this pullback that we're seeing for Shib and the crypto market in general, it's not really surprising. We've gotten into some of these long leveraged liquidations. It's pushed Shib and many other assets down throughout the space. Obviously, Ethereum going through a pullback right now is not helping the price of Shiba Inu. There's big LPs there. So it's just kind of a blah kind of start to the week. And in fact, when we look at volume, this is exactly showing that. In fact, you guys can see that from our surges yesterday, we've dropped over $1 billion in trading volume. We're down at about 1.5 billion right now, which might seem like a big day, but it's pretty quiet compared to what we have been experiencing. In fact, we have seen this exact same thing take place several times before. Obviously, all the way back here in the latter part of November, we had a nice little pop in price and then a little bit of a low volume pullback happening there. Same thing here, nice pop in price, low volume pullback. So again, we're going through this period where we're just kind of washing out some of the some of the weaker handed people. The distribution from the hands of the impatient to the hands of the patient. The great news about Shiba Inu is that we're showing all the resilience in the world up in these levels. Shib right now doesn't even want to fall below 403, which is a very exciting sign, and I think a very bullish setup for this week. Looking at a few things here, guys, we just tapped actually the oversold range on the 1 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, we're getting close to that oversold range. The daily chart, we're out of the overbought range. I mean, everything's kind of playing out perfectly in the charts right now. And in fact, when we're looking at a few other things too, for example, supply on exchanges, we went through this period where we were getting kind of a little bit of inflow again. This does tend to happen. But then what happens is after people have taken their profit, we've seen this flow back into exchanges, we typically start to see it bought and removed. All right. And that's kind of what we're waiting for again, is we're waiting for that burst of excitement from whales. We're waiting for the burst of excitement from retail. And I talked about some things in my ADA video about what could really stir this up. Obviously, tomorrow we have a CPI report, which could be very big for the market. And frankly, I would not be surprised if institutional money steps in and starts buying again in a big way today. Obviously, we did not have any institutional volume over the weekend. They don't do anything on Saturdays and Sundays. And what they've been showing us is that right now they're trying to accumulate both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if this removal into the hands of the patient continues to happen on that side, that is a big level of support for the market in general. Now, we have to be patient. We have to let these things play out, right? It doesn't always work out exactly how we want. But I will say that Shiba Inu right now, I'd love to see us hold above these levels because we did not confirm a lower low here. That's a very exciting sign. So we're still on trend. We're still in support. And yes, pullbacks suck, but it is an opportunity for those to accumulate who have not had the opportunity to do so, right? Now Shiba Inu is frankly a pretty decent sized discount, 10% discount from what it was just, about 24 hours ago. So we're still on the very bullish side of things. All these moving averages are moving up here. We're still above, excuse me. I'm getting sick, guys. I apologize. We're still above all of these currently. And in terms of the monthly candles of Shib, we're still printing a very bullish December so far. The reversal, the full-on reversal is in fact taking place. If this continues, even if, we don't have huge growth still this month, this could be the highest monthly candle close we have had since the bear market lows, or since the last bull market cycle. So everything's kind of working out perfectly. Shib is in a great spot right now. We just need to, again, wash out some of these negative hands, and then we know what follows. Big adoption, big excitement, and big surges in price, frankly. So appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Again, if you guys haven't, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and let's see what the day brings.